Hello everyone. Start off by taking a green square sheet of paper, fold it over square and then diagonally. You should be left with 4 edges, out of which fold 2 of them. This will land you in a diamond-like shape. Make many of these, add ears and eyes and you're done. Attach one to the other and then add a stick at the bottom to make an umbrella. For our next craft, start off by taking a square sheet of pink paper and then fold the lower ends upwards as well as the upper end downwards. Reverse the paper and repeat this process. Then fold in 2 of the edges and fold it backwards. Make 2 folds and insert one side into the other. Stick glue to the base, repeat this process, and there you have it, a pen stand. For our next craft, take a red sheet of square paper and then fold it over diagonally on either side. Open up this fold and then leave one diagonal side and then fold over the side edges. Remove this and then diagonally fold on the outer edges. Make many of these and add tape to one side and then stick them all together. Attach sticks to either end of it, open it up and voila! For our next craft, take some gift wrapping paper, fold it into half and then fold over the upper end narrowly. Open up the sheet and fold it as such into squares, or rather rectangular small strips, and then open it up. We are only doing this for the pattern. Now make a fan-like shape using the pattern that you have created. Tie an accessory thread right in the center and then stick the edges. Voila! For our next craft, take some gift wrapping paper and then fold inside the edges to make it meet at the center. Once you have done this, invert the sheet of paper. Fold the upper half downwards and the lower half upwards. Repeat the same with the sides. Now open up the upper and the lower end and fold it inside in the shape of a box. Next, take a big green sheet of paper and draw diagonals and squares as such. Then stick it together. Add the multiple boxes that you have made and close it. Decorate it as you wish. For our next craft, take some gift wrapping paper and then fold in the edges to make it meet in the center. Then fold it over into half. Repeat this with the top and the bottom. Now open up all the folds that you have made but only leave the side folds. Once again, repeating the steps from the last craft, fold in the edges to make a box. Take another sheet of paper and make the edges meet at the center. Then fold over the edges on all 4 sides. Remove 2 of the sides and then draw closer the upper and the lower halves. Repeat the same with the sides. Now fold over all 4 sides one into the other and insert them together. Then reverse the paper and then fold in the edges to meet at the center. Insert the edges one into the other and then fold in all the sides. We have folded it just to make the pattern, but now fold in 2 of the edges. You should be resulted in the box cap. Now attach both of them together. For our next craft, take some gift wrapping paper and then fold the bottom edge. Reverse the sheet and then fold in 2 of the edges. Now bring back the sheet to the other side and then fold in the sides. Fold in the bottom half upwards and then fold in the sides. Make a narrow strip using the bottom edge and then fold it as such. You should get like a fan-like shape. Now taking the fan-like shape, stick it at the center. Fold in the top half to make a heart. For our next craft, take a red square sheet of paper and then fold it over diagonally on either side. Then fold over one of the edges and repeat this on 3 of the sides. Next, do the 4th side as well and then reverse the paper and then fold in the edges to make it meet at the center. Fold it in according to the markings and make this heart-like shape and stick them together until you make a circle. Thank you for watching.